MrBeast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, has become a household name in the YouTube community in recent years. With over 147 million subscribers on his main channel, he has established himself as one of the most popular creators on the platform. But what exactly is it that makes MrBeast so special? In this video, we'll explore the various aspects of MrBeast's personality and content that have contributed to his success. However, before we begin our video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Generosity. One of the most notable things about MrBeast is his extreme generosity. He has made a name for himself by giving away large sums of money in his videos. For example, he once gave away $1 million to random strangers on the street, and he's also given away cars, houses, and even islands. This type of content is what initially put MrBeast on the map, and it continues to be a central aspect of his content today. In addition to his giveaways, MrBeast donates a significant portion of his earnings to various charitable causes. He has partnered with organizations such as Feeding America and the Make-A-Wish Foundation to raise awareness and funds for their causes. This commitment to giving back has not only earned him the respect of his fans, but has also set a positive example for other creators to follow. Risk-taking. Another factor that sets MrBeast apart is his willingness to take risks and experiment with new content ideas. He's known for creating outrageous challenges and stunts, such as spending 24 hours in a haunted house or attempting to stay underwater for 24 hours. These types of videos not only keep his content fresh and exciting, but also demonstrate his fearlessness and willingness to push boundaries. In recent years, MrBeast has taken his risk-taking to the next level by investing in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Dogecoin. He even created his own cryptocurrency, Beast Dollars, which he uses to reward fans and viewers for engaging with his content. This innovative approach to content creation and finance has further cemented his status as a trailblazer in the YouTube community. Humor and collaboration. Furthermore, MrBeast has a keen sense of humor that he incorporates into his content. He often uses irony and self-deprecation to poke fun at himself and his own success, which makes him more relatable to his audience. He also collaborates with other popular YouTubers and celebrities, which leads to humorous and entertaining content that appeals to a wide range of viewers. In 2022, MrBeast took his collaboration efforts to new heights by hosting a star-studded event called MrBeast's Ultimate Challenge. The event featured top YouTubers and celebrities competing in various challenges and stunts for a chance to win a $1 million prize. The event was a massive success, drawing millions of viewers and further solidifying MrBeast's reputation as a leader in the YouTube community. Authenticity and vulnerability. In addition to his humor, MrBeast is also known for his authenticity. He's open and honest with his audience, which has helped to build a strong sense of trust and loyalty between him and his fans. For example, he frequently shares behind-the-scenes footage of his videos, which gives his viewers a glimpse into the hard work and dedication that goes into his content. MrBeast's authenticity extends beyond just his videos. However, he's also been vocal about his struggles with mental health and has encouraged others to seek help if they need it. His vulnerability and honesty about his own struggles have helped to break down stigmas surrounding mental health and have inspired others to be more open about their own struggles. Business acumen. Another aspect of MrBeast's success is his business savvy. He's not just a content creator, he's also the LRE CEO of his own production company, Night Media, which manages a roster of popular YouTubers. Night Media has helped to build brands for creators such as PewDiePie, Mr. Fruit, and many others. MrBeast has also launched his own line of merchandise, including clothing and accessories, which has become incredibly popular among his fans. In addition, he has even started his own burger chain, MrBeast Burger, which has taken the fast food industry by storm. By diversifying his income streams and building his own brand, he's been able to create a sustainable career as a YouTuber. Dedication and hard work. Finally, MrBeast's success can also be attributed to his dedication and work ethic. He is known for putting in long hours and going to great lengths to create the best content possible. For instance, he once spent 50 hours straight recording and editing a video. His commitment to his craft has not only helped him to achieve success, but has also set an example for others to follow. MrBeast's dedication and hard work have also led him to expand his content beyond YouTube. In 2023, he announced that he would be launching his own streaming platform called BeastStream. The platform will feature exclusive content from MrBeast and other creators, as well as live events and gaming tournaments. This move shows that MrBeast is not content with simply being a YouTube star. He wants to expand his reach and continue to innovate in the digital content space. Positive impact on society. Another aspect of MrBeast's success is his positive impact on society. His generosity and charitable efforts have inspired his fans to give back to their communities and help those in need. He has also used his platform to raise awareness about important social issues such as climate change and mental health. In addition, MrBeast has made a conscious effort to create a safe and inclusive environment for his viewers. He has spoken out against bullying and hate speech and has taken steps to ensure that his content does not perpetuate harmful stereotypes or behaviors. MrBeast's positive impact on society has not gone unnoticed. In 2022, he was named one of Time magazine's 100 most influential people in the world. His influence extends far beyond the YouTube community and has inspired countless individuals to make a difference in their own communities. In conclusion, MrBeast's success can be attributed to a combination of factors. His extreme generosity, risk-taking, humor, authenticity, business acumen, and dedication have all played a role in his rise to fame. MrBeast's influence extends far beyond YouTube, and his impact on the digital content space will continue to be felt for years to come. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.